For the past 3 years, the tech world has been living inside a massive hype bubble regarding humanoid robots. We have all seen the viral, highly edited promotional videos of bipedal machines folding laundry, doing yoga, and making coffee. But in 2026, that hype cycle has officially collapsed. The market has matured, and we have entered the prove-it phase. Investors, manufacturing executives, and the general public are actively pushing back against the marketing spin. They are demanding raw, unedited proof of absolute autonomy. Today, we are doing a deep dive into the humanoid reality check. We are going to look closely at the leaked specs for the Tesla Optimus Gen 3. We will explain the massive controversy surrounding teleoperation and explore the fierce rivalry with Figure AI. Finally, we will break down the brutally difficult manufacturing S-ramp planned for this summer and why Tesla is killing off legacy cars to make room for robots. Let us start with the hardware, specifically the massive upgrades coming to the Tesla Optimus Gen 3. If you talk to any robotics engineer, they will tell you that walking on 2 legs is actually the easy part. The true engineering nightmare is the human hand. The Gen 2 Optimus utilized a hand with 11 degrees of freedom. It was good enough to pick up an egg or carry a solid metal box, but it lacked the micro-dexterity required for true industrial assembly. The defining upgrade of the Gen 3 system is an entirely redesigned hand featuring 22 degrees of freedom and 50 total actuators across the forearm and palm. This essentially doubles the robot's dexterity. With 22 degrees of freedom, the robot is no longer just clamping down on objects. It can roll a small screw between its thumb and index finger, thread a delicate wire harness, and dynamically adjust its grip strength based on the texture. But having a highly advanced mechanical hand is completely useless if the brain cannot process the environment fast enough. This brings us to the AI5 Silicon. Formerly known as Hardware 5, this is Tesla's next-generation compute platform designed to be the universal brain for both the upcoming Cybercab and the Optimus robot. Why is onboard custom silicon so important? It comes down to latency. You cannot rely on a cloud server to tell a robot how to balance or how hard to grip a fragile object. Cloud latency takes too many milliseconds. The AI5 chip gives Optimus the raw onboard computational horsepower needed to process high frame rate visual data and execute motor movements locally at the edge. Furthermore, Tesla is actively routing the Grok artificial intelligence model into the Optimus platform to act as its conversational interface. This allows human workers to issue complex natural language commands and allows the robot to verbally explain its actions in real time. Despite this incredible hardware, public search trends reveal a massive wave of skepticism. And this skepticism is entirely rooted in the teleoperation controversy. A few months ago, a viral video showed an Optimus robot smoothly taking a shirt out of a basket. The internet exploded until engineers noticed something. You could see the hand of a human operator wearing a haptic tracking glove. The robot was not thinking. It was a metal puppet being driven by a human. While teleoperation is a valid way to gather training data, the public felt deceived. It blurred the line between true artificial intelligence and a remote-controlled toy. This controversy caused a violent shift in market search intent in 2026. Business leaders are no longer searching for promotional videos. They are demanding raw, continuous, unedited footage of these machines solving unpredictable physical problems entirely on their own. They want to see the robot use its vision language action models to recognize a mistake, bend down, and fix the error without a human operator ever touching a controller. Until humanoid companies can provide hours of continuous, unsupervised operational footage, the sector will view these as research projects rather than reliable equipment. This massive demand for true autonomy brings us to Tesla's biggest threat in the humanoid space, Figure AI. Backed by industry titans like NVIDIA, Microsoft, and OpenAI, Figure is explicitly targeting the teleoperation criticisms leveled at Tesla. While Tesla kept most testing hidden, Figure took an aggressive approach. They deployed a fully autonomous fleet directly onto the assembly lines of the BMW Spartanburg plant. At BMW, these robots are not being remote controlled. They are executing roughly 1,000 precise part placements per day entirely on their own. They are doing this using their onboard neural networks. What makes Figure so competitive right now is their mastery of edge cases. This includes their ability to handle deformable objects. In robotics, picking up a solid steel brake rotor is mathematically simple because the shape never changes. But picking up a soft padded shipping envelope or a wrinkled bag is incredibly difficult. Every time you touch it, its shape and center of gravity changes completely. Driven by their Helix vision language action model, Figure has showcased their robots autonomously sorting soft packages. The robot learns to orient barcodes and flatten wrinkles. It adjusts its grip based on the squishiness of the item. It behaves adaptively rather than following a rigid script. And with the Figure 03 model on the horizon, pressure is rising. So, how does Tesla plan to fight back? The answer lies in their unmatched manufacturing scale. Search volume is spiking around the rumored summer 2026 S ramp. In manufacturing, an S ramp describes the brutal reality of mass production. For the first few months, production is slow and painful as engineers solve bottlenecks. But once solved, the rate violently curves upward, churning out thousands of units a week. Tesla is the only company that has successfully executed an S ramp of this scale globally. But executing this ramp up requires massive factory space, and this has led to a major strategic pivot that has automotive enthusiasts completely shocked. To make room for the Optimus lines, Tesla has begun quietly scaling down and phasing out the legacy Model S and Model X vehicles. These flagship luxury cars built the brand. But in 2026, Tesla is no longer a luxury car company. They are a robotics and autonomy company. They are clearing out space for millions of custom actuators. Despite this production push, if you are a business owner hoping to buy an Optimus this year, you are out of luck. Tesla will not be selling these to the public yet. Their strategy is to eat their own dog food. Tesla currently has hundreds of Optimus units undergoing internal testing on their own automotive factory floors. They are using their own highly complex car assembly lines as the ultimate high-stakes beta test. They intend to prove the machine can survive a full year of grueling operation. The humanoid reality check is exactly what this industry needed. We are no longer amazed by the fact that a machine can simply balance on two legs. The hardware has been solved. The battle of 2026 is entirely about software. It is a race to see who can successfully transition to flawless, unsupervised physical artificial intelligence first. Who do you think will win the autonomy race? Will Tesla's massive manufacturing scale crush the competition, or will Figure AI's early start give them an unbeatable lead? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Please hit the like button and subscribe for more raw, data-driven updates on the future of the automation economy. Thank you for watching.